YouTube has announced a recent update where YouTube has added a research tab in the YouTube studio itself. Now, what does this research tab do for you? How can you make use of it to make better content on your YouTube channel? This is going to be a big update, guys, and we're going to start right now. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, before we begin, please do subscribe to the channel. So after opening up YouTube Studio, you need to go to your analytics section. And previously, we used to have these tabs: overview, reach, engagement, audience, and revenue. But there's another tab now that is called research. This is a newly added tab by YouTube. And you can use the research tab in your YouTube analytics to explore what your audience and viewers across YouTube are searching. And this can also help you discover content gaps. And this update is slowly being rolled out. This feature is being rolled out in more languages, so you can filter your data by content gaps, geography, and language to get specific type of data. And content gap, I will talk about it more in detail. But first of all, let's go through these tabs one by one. The first tab that you see here on the screen, it is called Searches Across YouTube. Now, this report allows you to explore the top search topics made by your audience and viewers across YouTube over the last 28 days. You can also view content gaps and the search volume of each term ranked low, medium, and high. So for example, if I type anything, if I type biryani here, it's going to actually show me all the search terms related to biryani here. Or if I type, let's say, create a Gmail account, and it's going to start showing me all the search terms related to create Gmail account. And if I scroll down, you can see that search volume on YouTube related to this particular search term, how to create Gmail account, is high. So people are searching for this, and the content gap is there. Content gap, what it means is basically that either your viewers cannot find any results for their searches, viewers are not able to find an exact match for the searches, and also sometimes viewers cannot find relevant videos for the searches. For example, the content is either very old and in low quality, so that's an opportunity for you to create a better quality content and upload, and you might get a lot of views and searches. So this is the first tab, search across YouTube. So this can be utilized to search overall people are searching for. Second tab is your viewer searches. So if I go here, now this is showing me what my viewers or my subscribers or people who watch my videos are searching for on YouTube. So my viewers are searching for Instagram Reels, Momo's recipe, cooking videos, iPhone 12. So these are the search terms that my people are searching, my viewers are searching for right now on YouTube. So this is a good starting point. I can create videos related to any of these topics or around these topics, and I can get more views because my viewers are already looking for these. Now the third is saved. So how can you save a search term? You just need to click here to save this search term. For example, if I just scroll down and plan my future videos, I can just simply click here, save the search term, and it's going to start highlighting here, just like the one I've just created here, how to delete Gmail accounts. I'll be creating a video on this very soon, so I've just saved it here. So you can search across YouTube and look for search terms, keep saving them. And this can be a very useful tool actually to get you more and more views and subscribers. YouTube is actually trying to help you get an idea about what type of content you should be making to get an instant growth on YouTube. If you like the video, do hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.